So hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well, and in this video we are going to see about how to repair rigid scope. Okay, so I will show you step by step guide and what are the things inside, how to check that, and much more. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the rigid scope. So it is 0 degree because you can see the tip as flat, so it is considering as 0 degree, and there will be a lot of rigid scope like 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degrees. So this one is 0 degree. So what the complaint is, doctors told me that they are getting the blurry vision. Okay, so after they autoclaved it, the scope getting blur images, and that is why it is it is coming to us. Okay, so you can, okay, let's talk about the parts. So this is the eyepiece. This is the eyepiece. Just a minute. I don't know you can see or not. I don't know where to put. Okay, this one is the camera. You can see. I'll show you. See, you can see some blurry and right corner, right? So what we need to do is we should uh, we should remove the thing and clean the lenses, and these lenses are called like rod sensors. Okay, rod lenses. So this is a channel for light source, and you can see, if you, how you can check this, you can put your hand like this, and you know it is good. So no black spots or something, which is good. Yeah. So okay, what is the first step is we should remove this eyepiece, and then remove the inside lenses, and we will clean and put it back. That's it. Now I removed the eyepiece, so we can clean this later. So after that, you can see the small size of screws here and here and on the top. Okay, so first we have to remove the top screw by using the small size screwdriver. So I'm choosing, maybe the size is okay, I'll choose this. Okay, and then I have to open this, and it will come up with the spring, and we can remove that one. Let's show you. Now I remove the screw is here. Make sure you are aligning the lenses clearly. Okay, so now what I have to do is just rotate it and just pull it down. See, so you have to align like this. Okay, because the parts should be like how it is assembled here, you have to assemble like this. Okay, and then I'm going to remove this second screw, this screws, so that it will be coming out. Okay, let me show you how. Now see, we removed this one too, so I'll put it here. Make sure you don't miss anything, because it will get leak after assembled again. Okay, so I'm putting it here, and 4 screws are here. So now you can see here inside the spring is here there. Okay, you can see inside, and we can remove this one. I'll show you after removing that. So this is how it will look like. So I told you there is one spring, so we remove the spring too. So now we can remove the lenses by pulling it towards us. Okay, so we can remove this. See, now I removed this one, and this is the rod lens. Okay, so there is much more rod lens. See, it is coming there. So like this way you have to take everything. I will take everything out and see. Yeah, so now I removed everything, as you can see, by order. So now I'm very clear about it, because we have two broken lenses. One is here and another one is here. Two broken lenses, because it is very small size. So if it is like if we fell it, and if it is fell or something, it will happen. So let me check whether I have this one, or else we have to adjust with we have to put it back again with the same image. So if it is available, I will fix it back, or else we have to adjust with this one, with these lenses. So hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe if you like these videos, and if you have any question, comment below. We'll do something else in the next video.